Good morning, student. Now, this is the revision time. Okay, so in this revision, I will ask different types of questions, and your activity also related with these types of questions. Okay, so in first question, first question is that insert commas and write the number name of the following number in both Indian system and international system. In this question, one number is given and you have to put first you have to put commas in a proper way, and after insert comma in exact place, then you write down the number name in both the system. Both the system means in Indian system of numeration and in international system of numeration. Okay, so as you know, first start with Indian system. In Indian system, you all knows how many periods? Yes, 4 period. Starting with ones period, then thousand period, then lakhs period, and then crores period. And how many places in ones period? 3 places. What are the name of 3 places? Ones place, tens place, and hundred place. Now ones period complete. Now move to thousand period, and in thousand period 2 places. Which are they? 1000 place value and 10,000 place value. It's mean only 2 places in thousand period. So now your thousand period is also complete. Now move to lakhs period. And how many places in lakhs period? Here also 2 places. What are they? Lakhs place value and 10 lakhs place value. Okay. Now after completing the lakhs period, move to crores period, and in crores period how many place values are here? 2 place values. What are they? Crores place value and 10 crores place value. Okay, so now the number, what is the number is 45806733. Once again I repeat the number 45806733. So first you count the digit, how many total digits are there. So first you take help from where? Yes, here. Again you count the digits 45806 733. So total how many digits? 8 digits. So now start with right hand side. Okay, so right hand side first you count, yes, 3 place values, because first is ones period, and in ones period 3 place values. So first you count 3 place value, that is 337. Starting from right hand side, so first is 3, then 3, and then 7, then make comma. After that thousand period start, and in thousand period only 2 place value, so you count only 2 place value, that is 6, and then 0, then make another comma. Now start in lakhs period. In lakhs period also 2 place values, that is 8 and 5, and finally crore place value, and in crore place value which digit? 4. Okay, so how you put commas in a proper way? Now started with left hand side, means in crore side only one digit in crore side. So which digit is in crores period? 4, and 4 in crore place value. So write down 4, then comma, then 2 digit. Which 2 digits? 5 and then 8. 5 and then 8, then another comma, and then 0 and 6, then make another comma, and finally 733. Like this is the proper way of comma in Indian system. Okay, now how you can read this number after inserting comma in a proper way? How you can read? It is very easy. Okay, now see how. See, 4, where is 4? 4 in crores place value. So 4 crores, then 5 and 8. 5 and 8 means 58. Where? 58 lakhs. And then 06. Where is 06? Means how you can read? 06 or just 6? Just 6. 6,000, because 6 in 1000 period. And finally 733. 733 means 733. So exactly how can you read this number? Yes, 4 crores 58 lakhs 6,733. This is the Indian system. Now how you can read in international system? First you converted this number in international system. How you converted? With the help of comma. Okay, how? See, here is 8 digit. You all know 8 digits. So here in international system, first you understand, in international system how many periods? 3 periods. Which are they? Ones period, thousand period, and millions period. And in ones period how many place values? 3 place values. And after that 1000 period, and in 1000 period how many place value? Here also 3 place values. And after that millions period, and in millions period here also 3 place values. Okay, so in ones period 3 place values, what are they? Ones place, tens place, and 100 place. After that 1000 period, and in 1000 period what are the place value? 1000 place value, 10,000 place value, and 100,000 place value. And after completing 1000 period, move to millions period, and in millions period here also 3 place values. What are they? 1 millions place value, 10 millions place value, and 100 millions place value. Okay, now see, here also start with right hand side. So first you count 3 digits. So starting from right hand side means first digit is 3, then move to left hand side. 337 comma 608 comma 54. So only 2 commas in international system. Okay, so you understand how you can put commas in a proper way. So the exact how you exactly put commas like this from left hand side. Here you starting from right hand side, but here from left hand side how you insert commas? 4 5 comma 806 comma 733. So if you count from right hand side, you count 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma then 1 2. And if you start from left hand side, first 1 2, which 2 digit? 4 and 5, then make comma, and after that 3 digit, which are they? 806, then comma, and after that 3 digits, which are they? 733. Okay, understand how you put commas in international system? Okay, now how you can read this number in international system? Very easy. From left hand side, 4 5, two digit is 4 5. So how you can read 4 5? 45, where 45? Millions period. So 45 millions. And after that 806, how you can read 806? 806, where 806? 806 in thousand period. So 806,000. And after that 733, how you can read? 733. Clear? So understand how you can read properly? 45 millions 806,733. Clear? Understand? Very good. Now move to second question of this revision time. Okay. So second question is that write the expanded form. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. And after expanding, also write the place value of the underlined digit. First, you expand the number. How you expand the number? With the help of comma. And with the help of commas, you know that how many periods are there. So after finding the periods, it is very easy to expand the number. Okay, and after expanding the number, you have to write the place value of the underlined digit, where the line is underlined, where the line is put, in which digit you have to tell the place value of that digit. Okay, so first A part of this question. A part is 4589126. Once again I repeat the number 4589126. So first what you have to do? You just count the digits. Where? Yes, here. So just once again count the digit 4 5 8 9 1 2 6. So how many digits? 7 digits. Okay, so 7 digit means, yes, first start with right hand side. Okay, and how many place values in right hand side? 3. So first you count 1 2 3 comma. Then how many digits, how many place value comes? 2 place value. So count 4 5 comma, and then again 2 place value 6 7, and you have only 7 digits. Okay, and from left hand side, when you count from left hand side, first 1 2 comma 3 4 comma 5 6 7. Okay, now from digit, which digit is in right hand side? 6. So in ones place, which digit? 6. Now move to left hand side. So which digit in tens place? 2. Which digit in 100 place? 1. Your ones period over. Now 1000 period start. Okay, so which digit in 1000 place? 9. Which digit in 10,000 place? 8. Now 1000 period also complete. Move to lakhs period. So which digit in lakhs place? 5. And which digit in 10 lakhs place? 4. Okay, now clear it. Now if we count from left hand side, means 4 5 comma 8 9 comma 1 2 6. Clear? Simple. So here you insert the comma in a proper way. Now see how you can expand when you all knows the comma in a proper way, then you start expanding the number. First, starting from left hand side, first digit is 4, then rest all the digit means whatever the digit after 4, you just converted all the digit into 0, means 4 0 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0 plus. Now after 4, which digit? 5. Here you put 5, then comma, and rest all the digits into converted into 0 0 0 comma 0 0 0 plus. Now after 5, which digit? 8. So 8 and rest others figure converted into 0. So 8 0 comma 0 0 0 plus. After 8, which digit? 9. So write down 9 comma 0 0 0 plus. After 9, which digit? 1. So 1 0 0 plus. After 1, 2 2 0 plus, and after 2, 6. So how to write expanded form in a proper way? Yes, like this: 4 0 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0 plus 5 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0 plus 8 0 comma 0 0 0 plus 9 comma 0 0 0 plus 1 0 0 plus 2 0 plus 6. This is the exact way of expanding the number. Now after expanding the number, what you have to do? You just finding the place value of the underlined digit. So where the underline is shown? 4. 4 is underlined. And where is 4? 4 in left hand side. 4 in left hand side. Okay. Now how you find out 4? What is the place value of 4? See, 4 after which comma? After second comma. After second comma, which period? Lax period. So just after second comma, 4 is there? No. Just after second comma, 5 is there. And just after 5, 4. So 5, what is the place value of 5? The place value of 5 is lakhs, and just after 5, 4. Means the place value of 4 is 10 lakhs. Clear? Understand how you find out the place value of 4. Clear it? Okay. One more part I will explain here, and rest one in the activity time. Okay. The second part of this question is 70896042. Once again I repeat the number 70896042. So what you have to do first? You just count all the digits. Okay. Where you count it? Here. Okay. So now started with 70896042. How many digits total? 8 digits. Okay. So here in this number 8 digits. So now started from right hand side. First, how many place values? 3. 1 2 3 comma. Then how many place value? 2 place value. 4 5 comma. Then again 2 place value. 6 7 comma. And then 8, because here is only 8 digits. And when you start from left hand side, yes, first 1 comma 2 3 comma 4 5 comma 6 7 8. Okay. Now see which digit in, now counting from right hand side. So which digit in ones place? 2 in ones place, and after 2 means after ones place tens place comes. So which digit in tens place? 4 in tens place. Or which digit in 100 place? 0 in 100 place. Now make 1 comma. Now your 1000 period start, and in 1000 period which digit in 1000 place? 6 in 1000 place. And which digit in 10,000 place? 8 in 10,000 place. 8 or 9? Which digit in 10,000 place? Yes, 9 in 10,000 place, not 8. 9 in 10,000 place. Now make another comma. 1000 period over. Now move to lakhs period. And in lakhs period, which digit in lakhs place? 8. 8 in lakhs place. Clear? Is it yes? Yes, 8 in lakhs place. And which digit in 10 lakhs place? 0 in 10 lakhs place. Now make another comma. And finally you have single digit, and this digit in which period? Crores period. This digit in crores period, and which place value? Crores place value. Okay. Now if we count from left hand side, you see that 7 comma 08 comma 96 comma 042. This is the exact way. This is the exact way. So now you understand the exactly how you can put commas in a proper way. Once again I repeat, 7 comma 08 comma 96 comma 042. And after inserting the comma, you now expand the number. How? See, first starting from left hand side and crores period. So first is 7, then comma, and rest all the numbers, whatever the digit in lakhs period, 1000 period, and in ones period converted into 0. Means 7 comma 00 comma 00 comma 000 plus, and after 7 which digit? 0. So 0 remains 0. So plus 0 plus, after 0 which digit? 8. And where is 8? 8 in lakhs place, and after 8 comma. So means this is second comma. So what you have to do? 8 comma 00 comma 000 plus, after 8 9. So where is 9? 9 in 1000 period. And where is 9? Just after first comma? No. Just after first comma is 6. Just after first comma is 6, and 9 just after 6. So 9 in 10,000 place. So you write down 9 and rest all the numbers converted into 0, means 9 0 comma 000 plus, and after 9 6. So 6 comma 000 plus. So which digit come after 6? 0. So just write down 0 plus, after 0 which digit? 4. So 4 0 plus, finally 2. Okay, this is the exact way of expanding the number. So the exact answer of this one is 7 comma 00 comma 00 comma 000 plus 0 plus 8 comma 00 comma 000 plus 9 0 comma 000 plus 6 comma 000 plus 0 plus 4 0 plus 2. This is the exact answer of this part. Okay, now after completing the expanded form, you have to find out the place value of the underlined digit. So where or which digit is underlined? Here 6 is underlined. And where is 6? 6 is just after 1 comma, first comma. Just after first comma 6. So just after first comma, which period start? 1000 period start. And just after first comma, which place value? In 1000 period, 1000 place value. So the answer of this one is 6 in 1000 place. Clear it? So now understand what is the exact answer of place value and how you find out the answer with a proper way. Who help? Commas help. And with the help of commas, you knows the period. Okay, and in period, which place value comes. Okay, understand? Very good. Now the activity time. Okay, so I give only 2 questions. Whatever I taught you or whatever I revise, I give only these 2 questions. First one is insert comma and write the number name of the following number in both Indian system and international system. Okay, so first question is related with your first part. Okay, so here you have to write down the answer in Indian system and then international system. Only one number. First you have to insert the commas and write the answer in Indian system. Then again you insert the commas in international system and write down or write down in word. How to write down international system in word. Okay, so first part 96400210. Once again I repeat the number 96400210. So first Indian system. First in Indian system, how to write down in Indian system? First you count the digits. How many total digits in this number? So where you count it? Yes, here you count the number. So first once again you count it 96400210. So how many digits? 8 digits. So total is 8 digits. And how you find out the comma? Yes, starting from left hand side. In both the ways. First you start from right hand side. Okay, so when you start from, why start from right hand side? Because when you start from right hand side, it is very easy, because in right hand side one's period is start. Okay, so it is very easy to find out how many place values, and after how many place values you have to put the comma. Okay, so first starting from one's period you count 3 place values 1 2 3, then make comma. And after one's period 1000 period, and in 1000 period 2 place values 4 and 5, then comma. And after 1000 period lakhs period start, and in lakhs period 2 place value means 6 and 7. And after lakhs period crores period, and in crores period here also 2 place values. Which are they? lakhs, crores place value and tens crore place value. But here only 8 digits. So 8 digit comes in crores place value. 8 digit in comes in crores place value. Okay. So now when you start from right hand side, first 3. So which one is the right hand side? Which digit in right hand side? 0, and after 0 1, after 1 2. Then make, yes, I will not tell what you have to put there. Then after 2 0, and after that 0 again 0. Then again what you have to do? Yes, do it by your own way. Now after this one, which digit comes? 4, and after 4 6, and after 6 you have to put again, and finally 9. And from left hand side, what you have to do from left hand side? 9, what you have to do? What you have to put? What answer, what question asks you? What you have to insert? Now understand what you have to insert. So 9, then insert, then 6 4, then again you have to insert, then 0 0, then again you have to insert, and finally 2 1 0. Clear it? What you have to insert? This is already mentioned in the question. I will not tell what you have to insert it. Okay. Now when you know that, then it is very easy how to tell in words. 9 in which period? 6 4 comes in which period? 0 0 in which period? 2 1 0 in which period? You all understand, and how you can read it. 9 6 4 0 0 2 1 0. 2 1 0 means 210. 6 4 means 64. 0 0, nothing you have to write. Okay. So 9 6 4 64, then 210. Okay. This is Indian system. And now you move to international system. And international system, 3 periods. Which are they? Ones period, then thousand period, and then millions period. In ones period, 3 place values. What are they? Ones, tens, 100. Then move to thousand period. Here also 3 place values. What are they? 1000 place value, 10,000 place value, 100,000 place value. Then move to millions period. In millions period, here also 3 place values. What are they? Millions place value, 10 millions place value, 100 millions place value. Means in every period 3 place values. Okay. So now again starting from right hand side. So 1 2 3. Which digit in right hand side? 2 in right hand side. 2 in right hand side? No. 0 in right hand side. So 0 1 2, then comma, then 0 0 4, then again comma, and then 6 and 9. And now when you count from left hand side, how? 9 6 comma 4 0 0 comma 2 1 0. Okay. Clear it? And when you all fix, or when you all understand how to put what is mentioned in the question in exact way, then you knows that where 9 6 in which period. Okay. So you only kept in the mind, here is 2 commas. So in 2 commas 3 period, and third period is which period? You all understand. So 96 means 96. Then 400. 400 means 400. 400 where? In which period? So 400 where? And then 210. Okay, like this you insert it and you read it. Okay, understand? Clear? Now second question is that write the expanded form of the following number. Also write the place value of the underlined digit. In this question I will ask only one part. Okay, so this part is 10843657. Once again I repeat the number 10843657. So what you have to do? First you count it. Where? Here. So first you count 10843657. So total is 8 digits. And here is no comma. So first you put or first you insert comma. Starting from right hand side. So in right hand side 3 place value 1 2 3, then comma. After this one 2 place value 4 5, then comma. And after this one again 2 place value 6 7, comma. After this one only 1 place value, because in this number only 8 digits. Okay, so which digit in ones place? Means in right hand side 7. After 7, which digit in tens place? 5. Which digit in 100 place? 6. Now comma. Okay, now which digit in 1000 place? 3. Which digit in 10,000 place? 4. Then comma. And which digit in lakhs place? 8. Which digit in 10 lakhs place? 0. Then again comma. And which digit in crores place? 1. Means here is 3 comma. And after third comma 1. Just after third comma 1. Just after second comma 8. Just after first comma 3. Okay, now start from left hand side. So 1 comma 08 comma 43 comma 657. Okay, now you insert the comma in a proper way, and you all knows how many commas in this number. And after knowing how many commas, you all understand how many periods in this number. Okay, so now you have to expand this number. Now you have to expand it. How? First you start from left hand side. So which digit? Yes, the digit in crores place. First you write that one, then comma, and rest all the numbers converted into 0. Then plus, then after 1 10 lakhs place. Whatever the digit, first you write that one and then rest all the digits converted into 0. Then again plus, then move to lakhs place and rest all the digits converted into 0. Then plus again, then move to 10,000 place. Whatever the digit in 10,000 place, you just write down and rest all the digit with the help of commas. You have to write down all the digits converted into 0 with the help of commas. Then again plus, and what the digit in 1000 place, you just write down that digit and rest all the digits converted into 0 with the help of comma. Then plus, and then after 1000 place 100 place. So which digit in 100 place? First you write down that digit and rest all the numbers converted into 0. Then again plus, and after 100 tens place, and whatever the digit in 10th place, you just write down that digit and 0 plus, and finally ones place. So whatever the digit in ones place, you just write down that too. Like this, you converted or you expanded the number, and after expanding the number, you have to find out the place value of the underlined digit. So which digit is underlined? Here is 8. 8 is underlined. So which digit is underlined? 8 is underlined. So where is 8? Where is 8? After one comma, after second comma, after third comma, where is 8? Yes, after second comma. After second comma, 8 is there. So just after second comma, 8 is there? Yes. So just after second comma, 8 is there. And just after second comma, which period? Yes, you know which period. I just give the hint, lakhs period. And just after second comma, which place value is there? You also know that. So 8, what is the place value of 8? Now you understand? I will not tell the answer because this is the activity part and you have to do this activity by your own. Okay, so now you understand both the question of this activity, how to insert the commas in a proper way, and after inserting the commas you knows how many periods and how to read and how to expand, all you understand. Okay, and after expanding the number you also find out the place value of the underlined digit. Okay, so now I hope you all enjoying this topic. Okay, so once again do as many as time practice at your home. If you practice many times, then you all understand this chapter very well, and I know you all do it in a very good manner. Okay.